Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to save your videos in a Trello board. So first thing, just simply go to your Trello and just simply go to one of your boards, and from here just simply select a card that you prefer, or you could just simply add a card. So let's say I'm gonna go for this card, and now you will have an option over here, attachment. Just simply select this one, guys, and after that you will have two options. You can either choose a file and upload them over here, and after that just simply select a file and open it up, and from here it will upload the mp4 or the video that you have. And another option to save your videos in Trello board, just simply go for the attachment and provide or paste a link over here. So I'm gonna go to our channel and use this one as an example, and after that copy the link and paste it over here, click on insert, and we should be able to save it as well. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.